Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use Shazam for iPhone. We've all had a situation where we hear a song that we really like, but have no idea who the author is. A lot of the times the song might not even have lyrics, so it's even harder to identify. Luckily, the solution is fast, simple, and surprisingly effective. Most importantly, it's free. Download Shazam and start it up. Tap on the big Shazam logo and point your phone to the music source. Once your phone listens to the track a little, it'll perform some magic behind the scenes and provide you with a track name, album cover, and author name. Basically everything you need to know about the song. From here on, you can preview listen to it, or open it in Apple Music if you have it, or add it to an Apple Music playlist without leaving the app. You can also share it on the top right corner or use the other third-party apps if you're not using Apple Music. If you scroll to the left, you'll be able to access your Shazam history and settings. Tap Settings and you'll have some handy features available for tweaking, such as Shazaming when the app starts, no need to click the Shazam button for even faster listening, and auto-add Shazams to Apple Music. If you're using Spotify, for example, you will see the connection to the app here, similar to Apple Music. All in all, Shazam is a one-stop shop for all your music discovery needs, and best of all, it is completely free. So why not start using it today? You may be surprised at how good it is at recognizing music, even with a lot of background noise, like in public venues. Do you use any music streaming service? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.